outside. We live. So let me come on, leaves. And that gold is, oh my God, that's how he comes out of. Look at my heifer, man. Oh, they dance to the seeds. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna hold a tree limb. Hey there. Hey there, man. Okay. I said, rock and roll. Yeah. Welcome to the woods. Oh, yes, I'm at nature. I'll get one hoodie. Hey there, dirt. Oh, man. Oh, yes, hear me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, this is my number one favorite. Hey, y'all. Gorgeous. It's a man. Oh, my God. He's saying galaxy. He's an alien because he know what's been there. Cocoa. Yeah. I get him here on my knee piece. Oh, you come on down. Oh, my gosh. Nature loves me. Oh, yeah, what's this? Hey, the grass. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, my God. There ain't no bugs to bring her here in the nature, y'all. I mean, check it. Oh, my God. Well, look at this. Oh, my poison oak. Dead, dying, dead. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Oh, yes, it's 2020. It's all progress. All clouds are farting. I think it'll spit through my molars. Oh, my God. Oh, cool. I just think my phone was it tastes like an apple. Oh, my God. Look at this. Oh, wow. Cameras. Film me. I love you. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I'm the crazy neighbor on the block. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, my. I just farted. Oh, my God. Oh, yes, oh, baby. Oh, you check out this body. Hey, yeah. Oh, yes, I love balls. They're so firm, I can't believe. Oh, my God. I am Baby Yoda. Oh, yeah. Take me to your leader, because I'm the leader. Hey there, friends. Oh, yes. Look at my dogs. Gorgeous. Yes, we live. Yes, it's Thursday. Come on down. Oh, my God. That's so nasty. I just can't help but see it. Oh, my God. The boys are made to me, y'all. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Interesting species. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Yes, let's go over here. Oh, moist. I love that. It's so moist. It's squishy to my toes. Oh, but it's not mess. Oh, yes, yeah. Well, bench. Then I'll be so excited. It's head lay down. Oh, Lord. Hey, the neighbors. Hey. Oh, yes. You're my friend, too. Hey there. Come on. Hey there, my man. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Have you seen my other baby outside? I say tomato. Well, I'm going to get a blow for you. Yeah. Well, look at this. This thing be done a split. Now, I can use this like this, child. But you know, like a way down there. I can't do it without stretching. Hey there, my man. Oh, yes. My knees are talking to me because they're married. Hey there, son. My God. That sun's so bright. It's like me with attitude. Oh, you party. Your phone line, power line. Hey. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. I'm crazy. I'm outside. What in the world's that? Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this power pole. That is so thick. I love it. Oh, my Lord. I just want to lay down and kiss it. Oh, my God. Look at this. He's like, what in the world's in my hair? Oh, my gosh. The tree gave me for a present. Oh, thank you. Oh, yo. Now, this right here. Now, these are aliens. Check it out. I've been trying to get these aliens to come out from underneath the ground, but see, they ain't doing it. Come out, my man. Look at this rock right here. Oh, yeah, rock and rollers. Oh, the winds are blowing. Yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, good. Hang on. For some reason, y'all, the way this is going to be developed, I can show you my products. And I'm like, why? Not what in the world, sis? Oh my God. It's all going that way. Oh, yes. The kids are scared of me. You know what? I'm so scared of myself. I have nightmares of myself. Hey, Grass. That's good. Oh, man. Oh, my God. That's how much me out here in nature's baby. Oh, yes, what in the world I step on? La, 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 la. Oh, my God. Oh, yes, Jimmy, else, just gorgeous. Oh, my God. I ate my Pop-Tarts. Oh, I sweat in my nose. Excuse that. I ate my Pop-Tarts earlier, and they mashed. Gorgeous. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right, yeah. I tell you now, for big news, I used to walk around here barefooted. Ow! The pain! And, oh, rocks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Damn it. Yeah, yeah. Now, I don't know what this is, but I'm liking this. Yeah. Where's dancing? Oh, my gosh. I'm fascinated, and I live here. That's good. Lord. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, evidence. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh, Patty. Jim. Hey, my friends. Oh, my God. Come on down to Alabama. Oh, my God. I'm the only one out here in the neighborhood making noise. That's because they're hearing me. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at Zebra right here. Look at kangaroo. No, this tree don't produce any fruit. I wish it did. Oh, my God. I can just feel it. Well, look at this. Oh, my. Oh, there she is. That's good. Oh, golden baby. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yep. Almost dirt road. Oh, yes, sir. See now, this one, it's on hairstyle. See that? Well, excuse out in the ditch. Okay. Oh, yes, interesting. A few months ago, our dogs, got some excuse that. Hey there. Oh, yes, I've seen you. We're on far side. Oh, yeah, baby. and I mean, it's crazy. Somebody done bit me down there. Oh, God, what in the world's this? Oh, my God. They started eating the grass. They were sort of like this. Oh, my God. And then here I am going. Oh, my God. It's weird. Now, look at this. Oh, yes. Well, this grass has been done dead. Dead, died, living, dead, living. It's like a zombie. Zombie grass. What are you doing right there? Ooh, what's through the cracks in my crack? Oh, my God. Look at my cracks covered. Ooh, yeah. Yesterday, I was helping my dad out with the house. And then I go down here in the ditch. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I'm in the ditch. And then I get I'm going to fall down through the house. Thinking you guys were catching me. You my baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You like being in ditches too? Well, tell me down there. Oh, my God. In your comments. Oh, gosh. I smell a fish. Ow, somebody done plucked me right there, my shirt. Oh, man. But get here being nature. Oh, my. She done used the toilet. Oh, I don't even step right there, y'all. Look at his. Good Lord. Oh, yes. Leprechaun, what your special. Oh, man, that's funny. Oh, yeah, bitch. I see my reflection. But I can sweep the dirt. Oh, yes. I'm wearing Baby Yoda. I'm the alien on the side. No, I ain't. We're gonna come on down. Oh, yes. It don't get crazy. Oh, yes. I'm outside. Look at this. Oh, in nature. I can't believe it. I hear a crow. Look at them birds. Oh, my God. Something must be dead. I don't smell nothing but me. Oh, don't eat me, birds. Oh, yes, take a skirt. Oh. Hey there, my friends. You lovely. Oh my God. Oh yes, now this thing of yours, my man, isn't he gorgeous? He's so bald-headed. Oh yeah, bald-headed. Let's pull. Oh yeah, Dobby. Oh my God. This thing gonna be shaking my hands. Oh. This book's so small face on it. What? Oh my God. No, it's nice to do this right activity, y'all. Last time, I did a lot over here with heat warnings, so I'm telling you, you never know when I'm gonna be outside. So, I advise you don't do that. Don't go with heat warnings, y'all. Oh yeah, my baby friendly. Now this is where the car tire says, man, this sits hard. Hey. Oh, look at that grass. It wants me to love it. Of course I will. Oh yes. Oh cool. You're outside too? Well, you blessed me up, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My cats pee so much, it's unreal. Oh gosh, I want to swallow a bug. What's happening? I don't know either. Oh, yes, we're looking as we come. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, my gums are sweet. So come right here. That's funny. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Are you pooping right here? Well, you sure are. Gorgeous. Hey, what in the world? I stepped on that, man. I don't know what that was. It's called a species maybe out here in nature. Nature, baby. What was it on my space yet? Oh, yes, well, baby. Now, I don't know what's in here, but I like that. More aliens. Ah! Oh, yes. Let's go up here to the porch. Yes. Hey there, my friends. Hi there. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That's fascinating. Oh, yes. UFO plays. And yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, rocket. Oh, my God. Oh, my kids be on this side. Hey there, my friends. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is how, oh, a chair. Well, thank you for letting me sit in it. Yes. Oh, yeah. Up and down. Whoa. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Paparazzi, come here to me. Yay, my friend. What? You should send me notification. Man! Oh my God! I'm sweating. Are you sweating here? Oh my God! Oh yes! This is the Alabama sky, Alabama porch, Alabama nasty. I gotta fix that. Alabama water, Alabama. Oh man! They wanted to escape me. You know that's right. Oh yeah! Oh yes! We're always gonna be ready for Cuba Slice. Gorgeous! Oh yeah! Next to you, baby. Next to you. Now, if I ever moonwalked, I don't think I do this. Hang on a minute now. Let me see right here. Yeah. Thank you, Instagram. Let me kiss you. Hey, no, excuse that. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Those like, Hi. Oh, God. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, more Friday. Feel it Friday. Let's do it Friday. That's hilarious. Oh, yeah. Hey there, my baby. Oh, you show me. Where's this? Oh, because Secret Service will come on down. Oh, yes. And any secrets, I'm right here. Oh, my God. I hear crickets moving their legs. I get shot. They actually move their legs like this. Are you fixing to pee right there? What? Don't pee on my phone. Lord. Oh, my God. You been pee on your phone before? No! Oh, my God. They have mine, too. Oh, my God. One time, one of them snotted, and they did the other thing right on my phone. Yeah, dude was friendly, baby. Hey. Oh. My spit. Excuse that. Oh, yeah. I don't know why Instagram had to update the way they did. Oh, yes, they been saying. I was over there with it. Man. I'm alright. I'm this loony. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Subscribe and click it. Subscribe and click it. Oh, yes, if you want more outdoor lives, comment down there below. Oh, yes, gorgeous. I love my brows like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, exhort. Yes, we have leggings. We got candles. We got it. For you, it's like a turkey. What? We have bed bombs and candles and leggings and more. Oh yeah, do so yes. The almost has a new pillow for you. There. Oh yes. Oh my God. And there was people here. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh yes. Oh, it's for my bunnies. Oh my God. Yes. Make sure to check your sketchy back below the pillow for you. Yes. Oh yes. But look at it. Oh no. Welcome, man. Take there. Yes. Hey, my friends. Oh yes. I talk to them just like they're people. You know, it's like yeah. Leave me over noise. Well, that is just great. Keep it up, y'all. Yes, you're amazing. I'm on this. Yes, if like to connect with me on this, y'all. Seems my it's gonna be so funny. Yes, I'll link it up to yes, I'm on Facebook. Yeah. It's in the first doing that. And okay, my sites is because again, yes, it's on my Facebook. Yes, it's I think that below. Oh yes, I'll put below. Music clip like that one, and I posted there. Yes, it's funny, and Facebook. So I think I'd like to send me some money. You can never guess. And even if you can't, that's alright. I love you guys anyway. Come here, kiss me. My nose is getting bigger. Hey there, because I nose it. Oh, and I just see some money. You can't do this. You'll be about me. Thank you so much. I'll be back on Monday. So make sure to sit down because it's gonna get my learning other than this. Let me see you soon. Bye. I think I just farted through my